Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 3 from practice set 1.2. Today's video I am going to explain some example. Here I take question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Measure of some angle in the figures are given. Prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. In given figure, angle APQ is given 60 degree and angle ABC is given 60 degree. Here we have to prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Clear? Now in proof, what is given here? Angle APQ is equal to angle ABC. This is equal to 60 degree. This is the given part of the question. Therefore, angle APQ congruent to angle ABC. These two triangles having the measurement 60 degree. Therefore, these two angles are congruent angle. Therefore, segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. Now see, these two angles are the corresponding angle. If corresponding angle formed by the two lines are equal, then lines are parallel. According to corresponding angle test for the parallel lines. Clear? Then here we prove that PQ is parallel to BC. Now remember the basic proportionality theorem. If line is parallel to any one side of the triangle, intersect the remaining two sides into distinct point, then is divide the remaining two sides in the ratio AP upon PB, AQ upon QC. Okay. Therefore, in triangle ABC, segment PQ is parallel to side BC. Here we prove in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, we can write segment PQ is parallel to side BC. Then, by basic proportionality theorem or by BPT theorem, we write AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. That we have to prove. Okay. In this way, here we complete fourth question. Now see the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. In trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium in which side AB is parallel to PQ and it is parallel to DC. AP is given 50. AP is given 50. Here we mention. Then PD is equal to 12. After that, QC is given 14. Then here we have to find out the BQ. Okay. Now, according to question, ABCD is the trapezium in which side AB is parallel to side PQ. AB is parallel to PQ and PQ is parallel to what? DC. This means these three lines are parallel to each other. This is the given part. Now, by property of three parallel lines and their transversal. According to this property, the intercept made by the three parallel lines on two transversals are equal or are in proportion. Therefore, we can write AP upon PD is equal to what? BQ upon QC. According to this property or the theorem. Then here we put the value of AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, BQ as it is, that we have to find out, QC is equal to 14. Then BQ is equal to cross multiplication 15 into 14 upon 12. Then 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now what is remaining here? 5 into 14 in numerator and denominator 4. Then BQ is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 5 into 7 divided by 2 is equal to 7 5s are 35 upon 2. Therefore, BQ is equal to what? 17.5. In this way, here we find out the value of BQ is equal to 17.5 by using the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Okay, students, I hope you understand this question. Now we see the next question. Here I take question number 11. Now, what is question number 11 given? In triangle ABC, ray BD bisect the angle ABC, ray CE bisect angle ACB. If segment AB is congruent to AC, then prove that ED is parallel to BC. Okay. According to question, in triangle ABC, what is ray BD and ray CE? These two rays are the angle bisector of angle ABC and angle ACB respectively. Here we write the given part. Then by theorem of angle bisector of a triangle, according to this theorem, in triangle ABC, if BD is the angle bisector which divide the side AC, clear? Therefore, we write ratio of remaining two sides, that is AB upon BC. This is equal to what? AD upon DC. Clear? This is equation number 1. If we take C is the angle bisector of angle ACB which divide the side AB. Okay. Therefore, the ratio of remaining two sides, that is AC upon BC, this is equal to what? AC upon BC, this is equal to what? AE upon EB. This is equation number 2. Here we use the angle bisector property or the theorem. Then segment AB is congruent to segment AC. These two segments are given equal, AB and AC. Clear? These two segments are given equal. Segment AB is congruent to segment AC. Therefore, we can write AB upon BC is equal to, we replace AB as AC, we can write AB as AC because AB is equal to what? AC, this is given. Therefore, AB upon BC, this is equal to AC upon BC. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, AE upon EB is equal to what? AD upon DC. Okay. From equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay. AE upon EB is equal to what? AD upon DC. Therefore, segment AD is parallel to segment BC. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC, that we have to prove. AD is equal to what? AD is parallel to BC. Okay. I hope students you understand this question also. Now note down your homework. Question number 7, question number 9 and question number 11. Question number 10 from practice set 1.2. This is all for today students. Thank you.